When our next instructor was young, he looked at things and wondered what made them work and how. He was made aware of schools like Minuteman and decided that that was the path for him. While in his career tech ed school, he worked at service station, plumbing, gas, and doing repairs while in school and for 2 years after graduating. An opportunity came up and he became a technician at a dealership, eventually rising to one of the top technician positions there. After 14 years there, a former colleague approached him about becoming a teacher. He came to Minuteman to share his knowledge and help young people discover whether an automotive career might be a great choice for them. He is an expert in his field with 42 years in the trade, including his 25 years at Minuteman. At this time, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Melanson.
Hi there, I'm Mr. Melanson. I'm one of the automotive instructors, and I wanted to talk to you about the career tree. I generally work with 9th and 10th graders, so you need the good academic foundation to build on. And in the automotive department, we're trying to prepare you to become good entry-level technicians when you graduate. So you may work in a service department, you may work in a private shop, you may do something else in the industry. You could be an engineer, a designer. You know, the choices are almost unlimited. How far you go in the automotive and how much education you want to get regarding automotive is really up to you. Some of our students go out in the work world basing, just from their high school experience. Others may go back and do a 2-year college or a 4-year college and seek, even higher positions. And there are plenty of people out in the industry that are working maybe at this level. They haven't had the additional education, and they're doing great in life. Automotive's been a great experience for me. I love to share and give back, and I look forward to seeing some of you.